Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
Honda is sending its 350 large-wheeled scooter, with a refreshed color palette into the 2022 model year. Prices start at €5,909. After Honda had not extensively revised the SH350i large-wheel scooter until the 2021 model year, the facelift of the 350i for the 2022 season was rather modest. The main changes concern the available colors. SH350i buyers can choose between 6 colors in total. The paint colors Pearl White, Matte Carnelian Red Metallic, Matte Ruthenium Silver Metallic, and Black are already known. The Pearl Splendor Red option was cancelled for the 2022 model year. Honda is adding 2 new additions with a sporty design to its range. They go by the names Pearl Falcon Gray and Matte Blacky Gray Metallic. Both sporty additions rely on different premium accents. The wheels, fork tubes, rear rack and engine covers are matte gray. The contrasting stitching on the black seat, the SH logos on the fairing flanks and the front fairing, and the rim edge stickers set red accents. The prices for the 2022 scooter start at €5,909 plus additional costs.